Hello, welcome. Today we will speak about program LyX. If you write in your browser LyX, you can open LyX official page. Let's look together. LyX, the document processor. Important is that LyX is free software. It means open source license, so you can use it completely free, and it's available in several languages. So the software is very easy to download. Click on download and choose your operation system. Please read all instructions very carefully and download it. So for what is good this program? This is very good for writing article, letter, presentations, theses, for example, school homework, science papers, conference presentations. This software is #1 for mathematics, physics teacher. It can help you write your assessments, tests for your school, exams. For normal people, for example, you can write with this software very nice CV, nice resume, and much more. It's really perfect. So now we see license, how you must download, and you can read all and take next, and install. It will install for you all. If you want something more, please look what is good for you, and it will take several minutes. I think 5-6 minutes it can take, and you can read in internet, for example, manual, what you can make with these LyX. You can look about some sections. You can study something. There are several tutorials where you can learn. And I look, it can help you really so much. So I'm looking it all the time. Go, go, go. You can drink coffee, or you can drink water. And after you will be finished. It's very easy to learn this program, and we will look together what you can make with this software, how you can write documents, and we will make together in next lesson. If you have some questions, please write it for me, and I will try to answer all your questions. It's all the time the same. We must wait a little bit. Now we are slowly finished, and yes, we can LyX. We can open our LyX, and our installation is successful. Wow! So thanks for watching and congratulations. See you next. Bye.